how to create shared calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Calendar app. After click on Calendar app, click on this tree line icon and click on Settings icon. Now in Calendar settings, scroll down and click on Manage Calendar. After click on Manage Calendar, scroll down and click on Create Shared Calendar. After click on Create Shared Calendar, so select calendar name and click on color. After select color, click on Create and click on Share Link. After click on Share Link, click on again, select color, click on Create Share Link and click on Message. Select members from here and click on Next and click on Send. You will see your calendar is shared. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can create shared calendar on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.